Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desitvusa and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. It's a dog's life for everyone under the ongoing heat wave in Las Vegas. But these pooches get a break from the heat and a break of sweat in the process. They can exercise during the heat wave thanks to a local business called RUN DAWG. It comes to people's home with a climate-controlled van equipped with a treadmill. Dogs can run on it and be safe from the heat wave. The owner of the business says pooches can use some of gym time, just like people. They normally run at least a mile. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.